You gotta feed them. That's why we're here.
Daddy, I hate them. Daddy, I hate them.
Feed them.
Really, Mom?
Go over there and feed them. Throw them in the mouth.
I'm trying.
All right, that's right.
Okay. Daddy, he's still licking it. That's the ugly one. You calling me, Daddy? You look so scary. Daddy? Daddy? Your window.
We gonna wear past them. Cause he greedy.
Over here!
Let's get away from them. You talking about hand sanitizer? Look at the tongue on this one. I ain't put my hand in your mouth, bro. These motherfuckers greedy. Yeah, that's enough. Alright.
Look at Jay, man. Look at Jay.
They are so rounded. Hey, let's keep going. I'm moving, guys. I'm moving. I want to see a giraffe or something. Oh, what is these?
Giraffe all the way up there, Daddy.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Daddy, I still got them.
Oh, you still got them? Oh, I almost took a finger. All right, I'm riding. These things.
These things are scary.
Hungry asses. I'm not about to give you $20.
Okay.
You got slob on my hand, guys.
You got slime on my window.
That's on my hand.
Look at the horns.
Ew, booty. Daddy, I don't like them either.
There go the zebra. The zebras you throw at. Remember, they say throw the food at the zebras. The zebras.
We just pass it.
Here, I'm gonna do it.
Put it on your side. Put it on your side, Dad.
I'll do it.
Throw the food at them. There.
That's a zebra? Yeah.
You missed it.
All right, Nikki got a friend. He like Nikki.
I ain't your friend. I ain't nobody friend. I ain't nobody friend. It's giraffe.
Who these goats? Y'all wanna feed some goats?
No.
Alright.
I just want to pass the goats. I want to pass everything.
I just threw one at him.
Take one more.
Y'all don't wanna feed Bambi?
No.
Get some deer.
Some food.
Now we bought a lot of food, so you gotta feed them, guys. Okay. Nigga, why'd you sit right here? You supposed to be sitting in that seat. No, I don't want to see those. Oh, I'm fine right here. I'm fine. Maya, you ready to feed these big boys?
No, I'm not either.
Can we ride by them or y'all want to feed them?
Ride by them. Hurry.
I'm still throwing at him.
I'll feed them.
Maya got you. Maya got you.
Please, no, please.
Maya got you. Feed them, Maya.
Okay. Open your mouth, oh boy. Oh.
Feed them, Maya.
Okay.
Maya, he told you how to hold it. Put it in your hand. Put it in your hand. Throw it in the mouth. Throw it in the mouth. Play that.
I got it.
Do it again, Maya. Alright, we gonna ride, cause y'all some scary cats.
Thank you. I'm very, very scared. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Daddy, I'll fish.
The big guys.
Alright, y'all see the birds now. Remember what they said about the birds?
Daddy, I
Throw the
don't want to feed them.
You gotta feed them. You look at your food, your bag full. Give them some food. They hungry. Throw them out. They go somewhere there.
Oh, get it. They eating it. See?
No.
They eating it. Stop. They eating it. There you go. Eat it.
Oh my God! Did he just really try to kiss me?
Daddy, you can share mine.
I'm just gonna throw it in their damn mouth. Oh, there you go. Peace out. I'm moving. I'm driving. Hungry asses.
There you go. Bye. No more.
Get that one, Maya. That's yours. I mean, Nikki, feed him.
Really?
Feed him, Maya. I mean, Nikki.
I'm scared.
Go feed him. No, don't.
I'm sorry.
Did he tell you how to hold it in your hand?
I'm scared.
Maya, I mean, Nikki, do this, okay? And then eat it off your hand. Motherfucker. Really? Can we get it? Can we get a little better than that? There we go. We get another. Come on, come get some more. Come get some more.
Last one.
Come get some more. There it is.
That's all.
All right.
Let's ride.
We ride.
Oh, Daddy,
What is that coming up?
Oh my God.
Nah, I ain't feeding the bird. He running with it. Look, he like, yo, give me some food.
I'm trying to throw.
I don't want to have nothing to do with that.
Yeah,
I'm gonna keep my finger. Oh, look at these.
I wish that bus.
Look at his face.
I don't got
There go a zebra.
Oh, Daddy, he on my side.
What the hell is that?
I know you hungry.
And why is he bigger than the fan?
I threw it at the head. Look at them, they're chasing at home.
Look at it. There go giraffes.
Jay, Billy, I'm where? Really?
They all up in that car.
Yeah, they about to be on.
Oh, man.
Get some more food now. Nikki,
Daddy. They're on this side.
feed them.
Oh, my God. Hey.
Feed them.
Feed him, Maya. I did. I don't know. Nikki, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. Feed it.
Who threw that?
Me?
Get your basketball.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, watch it.
Oh! Right here. Go, Daddy, go.
Oh, they surrounded in the van, not moving.
Okay, Nikki!
Feed him. Feed him.
Feeding him. He's robbed.
Oh, sucking on my clothes.
Daddy.
Look at the slob coming from his mouth. Feed him. He trying to eat my camera.
Daddy, he's slobbing on my face.
Look at the tongue. All right, dude, you got enough. Y'all got enough?
Yeah, you got enough, Daddy.
Dre, you feed him, Dre? Go. Alright. Well, hold on. I'm gonna move a little bit.
He catching.
Dre, when he come to you, Dre, feed him. Can you feed him, Dre?
Yeah, Dre.
You scared me.
Oh yeah, y'all feed him back there.
Daddy, my window.
Oh. Feed him, Mickey.
Oh, God. He's too little. Okay.
Throw him out there.
You saw the mess out of me.
Alright, let's move.
Alright, we're gonna go up a little bit. There go some pigs.
Oh, what is no pig?
We go.
Bye-bye. Bye. Please.
I'm driving.
Alright.
Oh, I'm not feeding you. Remember what they said about the zebras? The zebra will bite your finger off. So throw them outside. Do not feed the zebras with your hand. Do you understand?
Yes.
Everybody understand what I just said?
Yes, sir.
Don't feed the zebras with your hand.
Just
Just throw them out.
Throw them behind it.
Just throw. There, get it. Like I'm doing. Throw them out. Zebras don't play that shit. Alright. Everybody gonna feed the giraffes?
Yeah, I'm a
The giraffes gonna have a lot of spit on in their mouth, so it's gonna be a lot of slob. So y'all just, do what you do.
I throw it at him, Daddy.
Alright, throw it at them, baby. You hit them in the head with it. I guess that's the same thing as feeding them.
Okay, are you going now?
Alright, we gonna drive a little bit. Everybody eat. Dre, you feeding them?
Yeah.
Alright, don't feed the pigs. We don't like swine. No, I'm kidding. Feed them. Feed them.
Daddy, I got him. Y'all got the zebra.
Giraffe time.
Not for me.
Look at the slob coming out of his mouth.
I know you hungry.
Giraffe Hill.
Alright, here we go.
They fighting it, Daddy.
Okay.
Come on.
Here we go. I never got this close to a giraffe before.
Daddy.
Oh, don't feed the bird. Fuck the bird.
Yeah, you know what this means?
What?
Daddy.
Feed him. Put it on the seat.
His mouth is
Just put it in his mouth. No.
Thank you. Get away from me, sucker. I don't have it.
I'm gonna play with them birds.
I did this for the animal. I did this
whole bunch.
This whole bunch of the float.
Alright, here go the giraffe. Y'all ready for the giraffes?
Daddy. Giraffe.
Here go the giraffes, y'all. Oh, this is gonna be disgusting.
Daddy, I don't want it.
Here we go. I'm gonna come up closer.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy, they want it. Stop it. Look at Daddy.
Feed the giraffe.
I don't got the giraffe. Okay, you want one? Wait, how you do it, Dad? Just do like
Just
this?
like you said, holding the palm of your hand like that.
Okay. Yeah, do that, Dad. Okay, I'm throwing it. Swallow, Dad.
Yeah, he's slobbing like a mother. Shaheen, film some. It's filming. All you do is look at it.
Jay, go feed him. Feed him again. Feed him again.
They love me.
Real life giraffe. Cool.
Daddy, are you driving? Oh! You driving?
The slide without with my damn pants.
But dude said, oh, look at that Nicky guy. Nasty.
Oh, I just rubbed him in the face. Alright, we finna get started, okay?
Okay.
Let's do this.
Go, Daddy, go. I love you. I don't. Yeah, you want this?
He licked you. You really want to get one?
No. Oh my
Go
God.
ahead, Maya. Feed him.
Oh.
What the hell is these?
Bam. I got you, Nicky. Yeah, thank you.
Look, Jay. Look at me. You can share with me. Just share with me.
Giraffe came back.
Oh my God, Dre.
Yeah. Here you go. Please don't come on my side.
They fighting over the food, guys.
Really?
You ain't see the rock sitting up there playing the moon?
Hey, Shawty.
I'm trying. I'm trying to make way.
Okay, go.
He blew something at me. He just blew something at me.
Okay, go. Bye, y'all.
You're gonna get right in front of the car.
I want to feed it.
They hitting the.
You filming?
Yeah.
Back up, man. Make sure you get a good shot. On the float. Film Nikki. Show what she at.
Try to get Nikki, man. Smile. Try to get Nikki. I can't reach her.
Alright, we finna drive.
Okay.
Alright, you alright, son. Film anything.
Alright, get back.
Okay, here.
This is amazing.
More food? Anybody need some more food?
No.
I'm almost done. I'll wait though.
Mine's almost over. Yes.
That giraffe wants some.
Yeah. Go somewhere. The pig. Please, you wait. Oops. Oh.
He back. He love us.
Girls like you.
Oh God.
He trying to do like this. He eat right after.
I thought he licked me.
Okay.
Do like this.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. You better not lick me, please. Don't lick me.
My go, my it's going with you.
Okay.
Film me, Shane. This is what we gonna do. Look at my hand. This how we gonna do it. Like that.
Daddy! Oh, man. Oh.
Don't do that no more.
Give me a lesson.
Jay, I ain't doing that.
Maya, maybe you rub your face before we get up out of here.
No. Hello. Scoop better I get down. I got that phone. Let me have on my phone. Hey, girl. Watch this. Enough for everybody.
Nikki's back.
Me. Nicky.
Nikki's face, you see Nikki's face. Look at Nikki. Dad, I'm recording Nikki's face. Nikki's like that.
Don't do that. All your food is on the floor, okay? So don't go in the bag no more. You reach from the damn seat.
Okay.
Come on. There you go. Come out of here. Peace out.
Deuce, it's gonna come back.
Let's go for that.
That animal right there.
Oh my God. That was so hot. Hey, you want some?
You want some?
What are those? Nicky! Where's it? Here you go. Need more food? Oh, me too. Here's right. Look at my food.
Yeah, you still got some in there, right?
Yeah, no. Nope. Let me see. Oh.
Because you in the mid, you say you was in the front. Or then somebody else, you switch me shoes. Somebody want to sit up here with me?
It's Dre turn. It's Dre turn.
You want to sit up here?
Yeah.
Damn, dude. Oh, big man,
Go. You want to sit back here, Nikki?
I got it. I'm staying right here. I got it.
Here, come on. You want to sit right there?
Y'all switching shoes, great. Don't put your whole hand out that window. Then we tell you how to do it. Hold your arm. Or throw it to him. Don't put your hand out there for the
I need more, Maya.
Get it.
For real?
Yeah, you gotta find some on the floor or something.
In the morning bag?
No.
Really?
I just used my first bag and ain't no more.
Because all up on the floor up here with me.
This is my second bag. I see with Daddy.
That's cool. I'm sorry, I don't got no food.
Hey. Here. Hey, look what I had.
What thing?
Can
I share with you?
Yeah.
Put it right here. Put it right here so we can share.
Alright, this is what I need you to do, Nick. I need you to pick all this shit up out the floor and put it in the bag. Put them on these bags.
Me and Dre sharing that.
Hey, now, just put them all in the bag. We gotta see.
Oh my God, he's back. He's back.
You can be picking stuff up. You do it the camera, you can cut it off.
Alright, Maya, you hold this.
Give it to me.
Hey, I'm throwing out
Give
the
me
window.
10.
Hurry up, try to eat it.
Pick it up, Nick. We run out of food.
I'm scared of it.
These things still, these animals still hungry.
It just got feeded yesterday. Come to me. Right, Daddy?
Yeah. Alright, we finna start driving.
What kind of food is this that all of them?
I have no idea. It's probably, you know,
Get away.
honey smacks.
I'll hit you. Look at front.
Oh my God, what is that?
How close is the car behind us?
You got to throw it outside. They don't get you.
That one just shitted all over the place.
There's an animal behind us.
If I see a lion, I'm screaming.
Jay, ain't no lion. It just said.
I don't know that, Nikki.
It's right here.
There goes a zebra. Remember, keep your hands in the car.
Yes, sir.
You got some. Nah, nigga, don't.
Sorry.
You supposed to be giving us the food.
I'm sorry. Get some, Maya. Give some to them. Get a handful and give it to y'all. Don't give them everything. I need to give some to the animals.
Just take a little bit if y'all need it.
No, me and Dre sharing.
They share, so
The
here.
animals were a bit hurt.
Oh my gosh. Hey, here.
I hate you, animals. Nikki, your window.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, hold on.
I want to bite your finger. I mean, he always bite hard. Just throw it out at him.
I had to throw it that way because
Okay. We run out of food, guys?
I got
So
some.
bag showing it and Dre sharing it.
Trying to make sure they don't get me. So I'm doing it. There's something we don't think.
We good.
That's all.
Okay.
Y'all got them on?
We do got some.
We got more. I said we good.
You said good.
What's the point?
Okay.